Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson & Family Kitchen. Today we are making crab cakes. So starting off, we are going to cut the chives, even though you can do it in whatever order you want except cooking and preparation of the crab. So besides chives, we have a lemon for squeezing, panko breadcrumbs, salt and pepper for seasoning, Dijon mustard, crab, seafood blackening spice blends, mayo, and an egg. Oh yeah, and also Worcestershire sauce. So now we are going to add all of our wet ingredients, starting off with an egg. Lemon, quarter cup of mayo, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, however it's pronounced. And now, actually we just needed liquid mustard, but Dijon mustard is pretty liquidy. So in my opinion, it's more of a paste. Now we whisk. Okay, already this looks disgusting. Now, once we're done mixing, now going to add our blackening spice. 3/4 teaspoon, please. 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. So now we add the breadcrumbs. And for our final bit of ingredients, we're going to add a bit of salt, pepper, the chives. Don't really have to scoop them in. Just gotta really just take a handful, drop them in. Now the crab. So now we're going to carefully put this in. Just gotta dump it. Oof, yeah. That was unexpected. I just kind of want to break it up a bit. Now we mix. While I'm mixing, please like and subscribe. Please, it would severely help. It would be really nice. Remember to also check out the channel Lego Gorilla. Also has some pretty good videos. I think that's good. Okay, so now we are going to shape one of the crab cakes. So you don't really need to shape it too fancy, because you can feel it stick together. So it doesn't truly matter how you shape it. Just gotta be in it should look like a ball-ish when you're done. I'm thinking about making 6 crab cakes maybe. Stick 2 in the freezer for later. More cooking now. Yeah, after this we're gonna air fry them. Probably smell good. Crab cakes. So now we're going to turn on the air fryer. So first you get we have a Wonder Oven, so first we gotta set it to air fry for 425 heat for 20 minutes. So when you put your crab cakes in, you want them to get crispy. So we had it on for a minute to let it warm up. But now we're going to put in our crab cakes. We want them nice and brown. Now we wait. Okay, so now we're gonna take them out, which is about 10-12 minutes. Look at those. Hello everyone and welcome. So now we're gonna try it. We're gonna try the crab cake that we nearly made from scratch. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's good. That is really good. Y'all should make this. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a good day. So, on Mr. Wilson's Family Kitchen. See y'all next time. Thank you for watching.